Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 7th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked out here in the corner at the end of the video. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, the Euro Yen made a huge push down. Actually, it opened with a big gap, which it pretty much, actually, yeah, it pretty much did fill the gap already. But I don't really trade based on gaps anyways, so let's go up to the daily time frame because the daily, to me, still looks like this move down very easily could be a crutch into this last move up right here, where I have my Fibonacci retracement. We did make a nice 61% Fib bounce for 3 waves down, so we definitely need to keep an eye on it. I still think there's a chance that this is going to start an uptrend for wave C of wave B to complete this A, B, and C of wave B. So we definitely need to keep an eye out for that to potentially turn long again. So anyways, going down to the 1 hour time frame, we already got a nice 61% Fib bounce. So what I'm looking for is either a very significant higher low like this in order to go long, or I'm waiting for it to go up and break structure and then make a pullback in order to go long. A break of structure is what's really going to prove that this move down is a complete A complete wave B, and a complete wave C. So hopefully we get a break of structure, then we get the pullback, then we get the entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. But like I said, if it doesn't break structure, then it definitely doesn't confirm wave C. So if it does something like this instead, goes up, makes like a double top, but that double top is a lower high, then it could possibly keep on going down. So keep an eye on your structure, keep an eye on your higher time frames, and hopefully you'll be trading in the right direction. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.